Thank you for watching this video. And today I wanted to talk about the most efficient way what you can do when you facing misfortunes, and it can be unexpected, or when you look at your current situation, at your current life environment, and if you're not getting results that you want, this method will help you a lot, and it will take you just few seconds to stay on this video to get to know that most efficient tool. But if you want to listen to elaborate version of it, please stay a little bit longer. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Inga Deksne, and I help spiritually awakened and intuitive entrepreneurs to make their business more visible, more enjoyable, and more profitable. And now going back to the most efficient tool. So, the most efficient tool how to deal with your misfortunes is gratitude. And I bet you have heard it before. And I know that it's like widely recommended to write gratitude list, to feeling grateful on daily basis. But feeling gratitude is the last thing that you want to feel when you are dealing with crisis, when you are hit by something unpleasant and unexpected. And feeling gratitude in that moment seems impossible. But let me tell you, the moment gratitude becomes your default answer to whatever happens in your life, the quicker you will resolve the situation. And let's go deeper how you can do it. And I'm talking from experience and my life. For those of you who know me, you know that my life wasn't a bed of roses last year, especially during the last 6 months. But it taught me how to deal with it, how to turn it around. And I'm really grateful for that experience when it seems that I'm going through hell, but it turned life completely different for me. And I am grateful looking back. But also, recent example when Facebook disabled my ad account, my personal ad account, and also my business account, which meant that not only I cannot do ads on my Facebook page, but also for my clients, I wasn't able to run Facebook ads. And to give you a context, 40% of my business consists of running and managing Facebook ads for other people. So you could imagine that gratitude would be the last thing that I feel. But I was almost like after 10 seconds, I felt deeply gratitude because it meant, let's say, if I never get my Facebook advertising abilities back, it meant that this situation pushed me to look at other ways how I can help my clients. It would mean that I need to learn how to do YouTube ads, how to do Google ads, how to do Pinterest ads, because previously I didn't need to, because I always had Facebook ads and I loved Facebook ads. I still consider it one of the best ways how you can increase your reach and serve more clients using Facebook ads. But what I've noticed also in this situation, that instant gratitude was my first reaction. Yes, I was a little bit pissed as well, but gratitude was overshadowing everything. And it showed me that this is the way how to solve any of the problems, because what gratitude gives you, it calms your mind and it opens you up to possibilities how to solve this problem, or it will open you up to tuning in to possible solutions to how you can solve the situation. So what also happened for me when I tried to appeal on day one, the appeal form didn't work, so I couldn't submit my appeal to reconsider the decision. And what I decided, the second step in this equation is that you expect that the solution will be found. You expect that the results that you want will turn out for your best possible outcome. So even if I didn't get my Facebook advertising powers back, it would be still the best solution for me at that particular um, time. So that's why I expected solution to be found, and it eliminated necessity to worry because I didn't need to guess. I didn't need to think whether anything will be resolved in my favor. I just expected no matter what the outcome is, it will work in my favor. And again, it calms you down because worrying and stressing, it's a choice. It's illusions that you are responsibly treating the situation. If you worry, it means that you're taking it seriously. If you stress out, it means that you care. It doesn't work like that. Stress and worry are unnecessary emotions. And yes, we are humans, we can't control it. But when you start operating from that point of view, you will stop yourself in from the being in a worry mode for too long time. And it's good for your health not to worry all the time. And when you expect that the possible outcome is going to be presented to you, then you wait for inspiration. And inspiration can come instantly. Sometimes it will take time, but the more you do this, the more you will see that you get inspired ideas, you get possible solutions, you get guided who to talk to, who to ask for help. So, and it works like this for sure. So, I just waited 2 days when the systems calmed down, and I easily appealed to the decision, and I got reinstated into advertising mode. So it ended well. But also, what I've recognized that this is a method how to work in crisis, and I have worked out it perfectly, and I apply it as a tool. But also it can be applied if you look at your life at the moment and something is not working fully as you want, like something niggling, something you maybe get used to, you're not getting results. So let's say I'm not a millionaire yet. It doesn't bother me as well at a bigger scheme of things. But if I ask myself, okay, why I am grateful for not getting my results, what is so good for getting unwanted results, or um, feeling gratitude that I'm still struggling to achieve my goals, feeling gratitude for going through maybe challenges. And again, it seems very unnatural to feel grateful for underachieving, to feel grateful that you're not hitting the goals that you set for yourself. Um, when you know, you go into that feeling of gratitude, you will open up to possibilities. And as I said, just play with it. You always can come back to your status quo, the way how you operate on daily basis. But if you apply those 3 steps, gratitude, expectation of having the best possible outcome, and then inspired actions, inspired ideas, you will see how things are going to turn around for you. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any comments, how you deal with unwanted setbacks, I would love to hear your opinion as well. And as always, if you know anyone who would benefit from hearing this message, tag them below. Thank you so much.